Meet John. He works as a service technician and today he has to do some routine maintenance. Also meet Richard. He needs to inspect and replace damaged equipment. And let's not forget about Nicole. She needs to control that regulatory demands are met on an external site. There is also Carl, Robert. Actually, there are a lot of moving parts in this operation. All of this is managed by Bob. Bob often worries because of everything he needs to be in control of. He worries about living up to regulations and demands. He worries about keeping his employees safe when performing their tasks. He worries about quality control and documentation living up to demands. There's quite a lot worrying Bob, and maybe that is just part of the job as a leader. But what if there was a way to make Bob worry less and make his life, as well as his employees' lives, easier? What if Nicole didn't have to worry about memorising every new regulation that needs to be met? What if Nicole could simply open up her phone and follow a tailor-made form ensuring that regulatory demands are met and stored safely for documentation? What if Richard could see exactly how an inspection was done previously with just a few clicks, ensuring that he is in the loop and making sure no knowledge is lost from previous inspections completed? This is standard operation procedures. This is what it means to make decisions that is data-driven and not based on impulse. Tailor your standard operating procedures to fit your business needs and link all your assets to a geospatial solution. Visit IntelliFinder to learn more.